Guys, a few weeks ago, a bottle dropped in the kitchen and it broke and I fell on top of it. Don't ask me how it happened. And I ended up with a piece of glass in my foot and a piece of glass sticking out of my bottom. Bad slice under my foot bottom. And ended up in the hospital, emergency room, um, with bad slice, with slice, you know. I was losing blood when I was worried about that. Anyway, they gave me 15 stitches. Would you believe? 15 stitches in the bottom of my feet. And 5 in my bottom where, you know. Anyway, the foot is still here, still can't get out. Imagine looking outside every day and can't get out there to look about my plants and everything drying up because there was no rain for a while. Anyway, you know, it's better now and I'm hopping around to use crutches and stuff. Anyway, it was, man, it's one of the worst pain me ever feel. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. So that's what's been happening with me. I'm gonna upload more videos soon, okay? Thanks very much. Bye bye.